Here we go, circles and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now split time, 2 and 3 and 4. Make it big, and 2 and 3 and 4. And small and split time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Sync them up and then wrap them up. Then bring it into the underhand buzzsaw. And feel free to add a little back bend. Look over at your audience and smile. Woo! And then tap it on your back. Come out and overhand. Feel sassy about what you've just done. Keep smiling. Bring it to the outside. Open it up. And same time, 2, 3, 4. Then split time. 2, 3, 4. Make it big. 2, 3, 4. Make it small again in split time. 2, 3, 4. Now same time. 2, 3, 4. Now you're going to spread your legs, stall between, come over the top to the left, and then sweep back, sweep over, sweep back, sweep over. And if you're really feeling it, you can connect it and go chase the sun, and then chase the sun for the last 2, and sweep back again, come to underhand. Now you're going to sweep up to pinwheel, and do that pinwheel back to front, and back to front, and back to front, and back to front. Now let it fall down, come into your corkscrew, turn counterclockwise with your corkscrews. We're gonna just go around, we're going around, and we're going around, maybe twice. Come back to the front. Now sync it up, and we're gonna tap left, up and over, down, and tap right. Up and over, down, and tap left. Up and over, down, and tap right. Now we're gonna turn and around and down and tap on the left, and turn around and down and tap on the right, and turn around and down and tap on the left. And last time going to the right. Now we're gonna add the jump as we go to the left. Turn and jump, and now to the right, turn and jump, tap, and left, turn and jump, tap, and to the right, turn and jump, tap. Now I'm gonna face you even though you'd be facing that way. Then you're gonna let the stall come down here, and then you're gonna crouch down, and then you're gonna bring this up, come into your butterfly, or thread the needle if you have it, and then you're gonna walk forward, walk backward, and then you're gonna turn and tap. Let's do it to your right side first, so turn and tap, and back to butterfly. And now to your left side, turn and tap, and butterfly. And now back on your right side, turn and tap, and butterfly. And to the other side, turn and tap, and butterfly, and down. And that could be the end of your performance, and you could just bow there. Number 2, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now split time. 2, 3, 4. Now go big, and 2, and 3, and 4. Back to small and split time. 2, 3, 4. Sync it up. And now we're gonna wrap it up, and then bring it into buzzsaw. And this is, remember to smile. Turn to your audience. Maybe give it a little back bend if you want. Give it a kick if you feel confident. And then bring it back down. Then you're gonna take it, sync it up, get it on your back, go the other way. Keep smiling, look at your audience. Open it up, bring it to the side, and circles. 2, 3, 4. Now split time. 2, 3, 4. Make it big. And 2, and 3, and 4. Back to small circles. 2, 3, 4. Sync it up again. 2, 3, 4. Spread your legs, go between. Sweep over the top. Come down on your left. Now sweep back. And now come up over the top. And sweep back again. And if you're feeling really into it, come around all the way through the chasing sun 2 more times. And then come out on your right. You're in underhand. Come up to that pinwheel together time. And we're going back to front and back to front. Keep smiling at your audience. Now plane shift it down. Come into that corkscrew. Remember, it's 1 down, 1 up. And you're turning with it. Turn with it. Turn with it. And maybe you want to do a second time around. And then move to the left side of your stage. Then you're going to tap on the left. And up and over and down and tap on your right. And up and over and tap on your left. And up and over and tap on your right. Now you're going to come up, turn, and down and tap. And up and turn, and down and tap. And up and turn, and down and tap. And last time to the right, up and turn and down and tap. Now we're going to add that jump. Up, turn, jump, down, tap. And to the right, up, turn, jump, down, tap. To the left, up, turn, jump, tap. And to the right, up, turn, jump, and tap. and then let your poi come down, hunch over and bring it up into your butterfly, and then walk forward, and then walk it back, and then we're gonna turn and tap with your right poi, boom, boom, back to butterfly. Now with your left poi, boom, boom, and then second time with your right, boom, boom, and second time with your left, boom, boom, and drop it down and bow. Woohoo, you did your first performance. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and split time, 2, 3, 4, make it big, and 2, and 3, and 4, go back to small, 2, 3, 4, wrap it up from same time, and bring it into your buzzsaw. Do a little back bend, smile, look at the audience, woohoo, woohoo, they're gonna love it. Then you're gonna take it, tap it on your back, come into overhand, another look at the audience, maybe you bend the other way, and then bring it to the outside, and go in 4 circles, 2, 3, 4, then split time, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go big, and 2, and 3, and 4, and back to small, 2, 3, 4, spread your legs. We're gonna go in the same time here, 2, 3, 4, then stall between, sweep over the top, and then chase the sun, up and over. So you sweep back, and then you sweep over, and then you can connect it together, boom, 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 and boom, boom, boom. Now this next time we sweep back, then we come up to together time pinwheel, back to front, and back to front, and back to front, and back to front. Now we're gonna plane shift it down, let it fall down into that corkscrew and start turning with it, and turn with it, and turn with it. 1 turn down, 1 turn up. And then when you're ready, you take a tap it on the left, and up and over and tap it on the right. And up and over and tap it on the left, and up and over and tap it on the right. Now we're gonna add the turn, and go to the left and tap, and add the turn, and tap on the right, and turn, and come down on the left, and turn, and tap on the right. Now we're gonna add the jump, over the head and jump, to the right, over the head and jump, and to the left, over the head and jump, and to the right, over the head and jump, and then let your poi come down, and come down low, and look at your audience, and come out in your butterfly, and walk forward, and walk back. And now here we go. We're gonna turn and tap on the right side, and come back to butterfly, and turn and tap on the left side, and turn and tap on the right side, and turn and tap on the left, and then come to the front, and then let the poi come down, and take your bow. 1. Now I'm also rocking, which adds to performance value, right? There's just more interest to it. Now I'm on my giants, 2, 3, and 4, and back to these small ones. I mean, this is gonna depend on your music also. And then together time, 2, 3, 4, wrap it up, bring it in, look at your audience, woohoo! And then we're gonna bring it up and tap, and come down in the overhand one, bring it to the outside, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and split time, 2, 3, 4, big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4, and same time. Now you get ready, we open your legs, and come between, up and over, sweep back, sweep over, sweep back, add those hips in, and then chase twice, and then you're gonna sweep, come to underhand here, and then you get ready to go into your pinwheel, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Now you let it fall, and then you start turning. Now, however many times it takes you, I might be turning faster than you are, it doesn't matter, figure out what works for you. And then once you get there, down and tap, and I'm doing a step as I'm tapping, so whichever side I'm tapping on, I'm stepping initially, and then I do the turn, up, over, and down, tap on the side, up, over, and down, tap on the side, up, over, and down, tap on the side, up, over, and down. Now add the jump. Last jump. And then let the poi come down, hide your face, and You come up, then you come forward, then you're gonna come back, and then you're gonna tap the right, and then tap the left, and then tap the right, and then tap the left, and then take your bow. Woohoo! My first performance is done.